You're welcome. Let's solve this exponential equation. This is very easy because you can write them in form of similar basis. Okay? We have 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power of 3 into x plus 1. Furthermore, we have 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3x plus 3. These are similar bases which cancels each other. So we have x to be equal to 3x plus 3. Okay. Collecting the like terms, then this comes over here. We have x minus 3x is equal to 3. X minus 3x, that gives us minus 2x is equal to 3. So we have we divide both sides by minus 2. So it means our x gives minus 3 over 2. That's the answer. Let's check. Our initial equation, let's start from here. We have 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3x plus 3. So putting this here, we have 5 raised to the power of minus 3 over 2 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3 into minus 3 over 2 plus 3. 5 raised to the power minus 3 over 2 is equal to 3 times minus 3. That's minus 9 over 2 plus 3 over 1. 5 raised to the power of minus 3 over 2 gives us, so we have to find the LCM here. LCM is 2. 2 into 1. 1 times minus 9, that's minus 9. Plus 1 into 2. 2 times 3, that should be 6. 5 raised to the power minus 3 over 2 gives us 5 raised to the power minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 6 rather. That's minus 3 over 2. It means we are correct. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you in another video. Thanks and God bless.